Well, hello everyone. Just got the face taken off. I don't know how. It looks like the water line going to the spigot has been almost like cut in half, but I mean, this wasn't somebody that just came along and did this. I had to take out like 15 screws to get there, so. Interesting, it wasn't the drain, it was just, here's your water line coming in, supply line, and that supply line is cut in two pieces. I'm surprised any water was getting out the mouth. But I was told to just go ahead and take them off regardless, so we'll keep going. Craftsman.